And one more pro tip is that you need to study fish identification, because if you take a look at these pictures here, there are 4 species of fish that a lot of people confuse with pompano. So of course we've got our pompano. You see pictures here of pompano, but you've also got the jack crevalle. You've also got the palometa, and you've also got the permit. So if you take a look at these pictures, and we're gonna put them up side by side, there's some really distinctive differences between all of these fish. So all of them have different regulations. For instance, palometa doesn't have any regulations. Pompano, they have to be 11 inches to the fork in the tail. Jack crevalle, they don't have any regulations either, but the permit does. So you've got to pay attention to these regulations and the fish identification. Know what fish you're catching before you bring it in, and that way you're not going to be keeping an illegal fish by accident.